Well, we've had quite another fast development in the BOI filing situation. Since yesterday, when the government filed their emergency request for a hearing, they got that hearing pretty quickly. And the bad news for us is the FinCEN filing requirements have been reinstated, even though it is clearly outside the authority of the federal government and extremely prejudicial towards small business. If you make enough money, you don't have to file. So I don't see how it enforces financial crimes when when it excludes any business of any size. So, at any rate, merely my opinion. But as of now, the filing requirement has been reinstated. They changed the deadlines. Oh, how kind of them to allow us time to file. So, let me just go to the FinCEN website and read to you what they had to say.
And here we go, fincen.gov/BOI. This is where you go to get all your BOI updates. If you go down just a little bit here and click on Alert, updates to the beneficial ownership information reporting deadlines. It says, in light of a December 23rd, 2024 ruling, must have been yesterday, just after my video, Federal Court of Appeals decision, reporting companies, except as indicated below, are once again required to file beneficial ownership information with FinCEN. However, because the Department of Treasury recognizes that reporting companies may need additional time to comply given the period when the preliminary injunction has been in effect, we have extended the reporting deadlines as follows. Oh, how generous. Reporting companies that were created or registered prior to January 1st, 24 have until January 13th of 2025 to file. Reporting companies created or registered in the United States on or after September 4th, 2024 that had a filing deadline between December 3rd and December 23rd, 2024 now have until January 13th of 2025. Companies created or registered on or after December 3rd, 2024 and on or before December 23rd, 2024 have an additional 21 days from their original filing deadline to file their initial beneficial ownership information reports with FinCEN. Reporting companies that qualify for disaster relief may have extended deadlines that fall beyond January 13th of 2025. These companies should abide by whichever deadline falls later. So, there you have it. We lose another one. Will this be overturned again? Who the hell knows, but as of right now, we are required to file, and sad to say, the penalties are extremely stiff on this one. So, as of right now, I'm going to gather my information to file, but I'm not going to file till the last minute because who knows? Maybe this goes back to court again. Maybe another judge hears this. Whatever happens. But anyway, that's the update, and do with it as you wish, as you see fit.